Here we go to start. We're gonna stop at our local guys O'Reilly and get everything needed to hopefully start this old truck. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we are working on the 1972 F-250 once again. We've got the little one with us today, so she's gonna help me see if we can get... Apparently she's crazy today, which we might need that to get started this 1972 F-250 that has not been started in over 20 years. So she is going to be my helper. We'll see if she'll help, but I have a feeling she's gonna push it off on her. Whichever way I need a point to get it back to her. But anyways, let's get started, guys.
All her.
Now that we are back here at the house, I had to change shirts and grab the GoPro. Love when my wife parks wherever she wants. And here's the 72, if y'all haven't seen it yet. We're gonna try to fully restore it, but drop a power stroke in to it to make it a little different. And about $100 later at O'Reilly, and yes, I did buy cheaper fluids and everything because we're just trying to get this thing up started, running around town, and then hopefully be dropping a power stroke into it extremely soon. But I'm looking for a donor truck because I would like it for it to go to 4-wheel drive as well. Before this starts, let's show you how rough this area looks. There she is, 20 years untouched. Let's hope I didn't get in over my head as your average Joe with the basic know-how. I missed the very beginning of it, but there's a good sign. It was full of oil, so the engine has been lubricated the whole time it was sitting there. There we go. Rub your finger around that black ring. Yep. All the way around it. Now rub it around that black ring. All right, get some more off that one. All right, do it again.
Why do you need to do
All right,
that?
one more time. It'll help put a seal on it.
What do you mean?
It'll seal off the container when you put it into the engine. There we go, yeah. There we go. Uh-oh, you're dirty. Is that okay?
No.
Well, too late now. Hey, what? Oh, what is this?
Now I'm clean.
Yeah, you're funny, aren't you, huh? Daddy's already gonna be dirty enough. Okay, all right.
Are you recording now? Are you gonna call it out?
I am.
I just asked.
I'm gonna check on the dog.
Yeah, check on the dogs.
Ain't going that way.
Yeah. There we go. Filter's on nice and tight. Now time to have our little one come over here and oiled up as soon as I put it in the plug. I seem to have lost my help for the evening, but that's fine. She's taking a bath to get ready for school, so it'll be me for the rest of the oil change and possibly even the startup. If anyone's wondering why I'm adding more, all the forms I've read said 6, because when you go to O'Reilly, say, hey, give me an oil change for a 72 F-250 360 FE engine. Yep, nothing comes up, only the filter. So I didn't say what weight or how much, so I had to look up on the forums. They were all saying 1040 is what it's supposed to take with 6 quarts. There were some people arguing about it, but for the most part, that's what the majority said, so that's what I'm going with. So just to let you guys know, for the next video, I'm going to try to make this engine look as nice as the Fram filter, but we'll see how that goes. But for right now, this guy definitely needs some work, so. Even have a new radiator cap to put on it. Starting to look kind of new inside the engine bay. be perfectly honest with you guys, this is a shot in the dark because I am possibly using the old battery first. Here's the key. Let's see what happens. And that's what you call fail. Here we go for day 2 of trying to get the truck started. The Jeep is finally in the garage where it belongs because my lovely wife put it there finally, but yet then there's some other random person that just parks in the yard up there. You'd think for this whole driveway, the vehicles could go here or in the garage. But yeah, but I have extra assistants come today to help if my final little parts that I just bought don't work, so I'm leaving the driveway wide open, and in case we have to go get more parts, I want the truck away from everything so we can get up and going. But I had to go ahead and break down. I have got the battery. I have a couple other little goodies here. Distributor cap just in case, hopefully not needing plugs and wires. And then even got this just to go ahead and swap these out. I have my 2 ladies here. I don't know what the little one is doing. I guess that's to zoom in on the engine, but here we go. Here's attempt number 2 at firing it. Now a new battery, new oil, a lot of starter fluid in the car, filled up the radiator. Hopefully I don't have to move to the distributor cap, but I'm guessing it's gonna need plugs and wires as well. Take 3, distributor cap off. That's just so I know which video to do. I dumped some fuel in the car too, so.
But you did that last time.
No, I put starter fluid in. Ready? My next step, I have now removed these. I have cut it to where new wire was showing and added brand new connections with the battery to make sure all the connections are right. I have my starter fluid and I will continue the process. Alright guys, we have now got down all the way to where we were replacing all the spark plugs, and as soon as we do that, we're going to put our fancy little light on here to see if we do have spark or not. And then hopefully pray and hope the truck will finally turn over after new spark plugs, new battery, new connectors, and new oil in the engine.
He's like, damn it, Julian. I thought you wanted your beer, man. Sorry.
Yeah.
That's what we do here in America. Oh gosh, really? They're gonna be commenting
I can't seem to get it in the hole. I swear I have a kid.
No spark. No spark.
Here we go. We have now resorted to lights to try to finish this up tonight. We are desperate to try to finish this to where everybody can see a finished project and the truck actually started up by the end of the weekend. Because it is race weekend here at Bristol, and both of our families, we're all going out to the races tomorrow. Then Sunday, we have church and everything, so it'd be really hard to get a video up. So we are trying our best to knock this out before the end of tonight.
He's going. Daddy's gonna try it. He's going to do it. But he's
Yeah, it's not working yet though.
So, bye guys.
Let me try it again.
Hey, let's see Tara do this. everybody. Bye.
Yeah, it's nice.
Here we go, guys. This is attempt and fail number 1 on getting this truck started. We did lose a little time due to this race weekend here, and I took the family out to the Bristol racetrack and everything, so I did lose 1 day, but so far we have changed the battery and all the connections for it, added spark plugs, ignition coil, flushed the radiator and the engine, all new fluids for oil and antifreeze. So right now we are playing the guessing game. I'm waiting on new spark plug wires. None of the auto parts stores around here carry them, so they say give them a couple days and they'll be in. But as of right now, it is just guessing to me. I've done all the little tedious things that I've done in the past to old vehicles. So if anybody has any better guesses or actually has seen that it wants to turn over, there's just no spark. If you know what it is, throw the comment down below so I can get this thing up and running and the project can really take off. But the next video we'll go ahead and be detailing the whole engine bay, getting it started, and detailing the whole interior and everything to where it is actually a very nice truck, and then I will start on all the sanding and getting it prepped for paint. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Stopping by for the first time, please subscribe. You all have a great day.